Hello everyone, hope you all enjoyed the previous post. At this session, we are going to see customized costing template based on Indian rupees for an multi-body main template part 5. SolidWorks costing overview. This tool helps the designer to make decision based on the cost to manufacture and helps the manufacturer to create the codes for the customer. Whenever you change a design, you can see the new updated cost immediately along with the detailed cost breakdown. Additionally, you can generate automatic costs report. Manufacturing and material information in template drives the costing tool to determine the manufacturing costs. In the template, you can specify the material used to create the part. The manufacturing process such as laser cutting, bending, milling. The manufacturing method such as machining, casting, plastic molded and 3D printed. And the associated cost of this material, manufacturing operations and methods. The template also let you to create custom operations such as packaging, ERP entry, painting or cleaning. How costing serves designers versus manufacturers. For designers, costing provides estimates of how much parts should cost to manufacture. Costing can compare models so as you can make decisions based on cost earlier in design process. You can try what if scenarios such as removing features, changing materials and using different manufacturing process to see how this affects the cost. The cost estimates are repeatable because the results are based on the data in templates, so you can always use the same template information to calculate the cost. You can estimate the cost of a part with minimal reliance on the templates. You can also estimate part costs based on the cost per volume removed. For manufacturers, costing create accurate quotes based on the materials, process and other associated costs that are required to manufacture the parts. Costing creates faster quote process than manual methods such as using spreading sheet, counting features or estimating material removed. Costing helps eliminate errors and provide an accurate, repeatable quoting system that you can update whenever material or labor cost need revision. You can apply the costing tool to estimate the cost of sheet metal, machined, plastic molded, cast, 3D printed and multi-body part and weldments. How costing works. Whether it may work based on manufacturing features or based on SolidWorks features. SolidWorks costing interprets geometry as to how it will be manufactured, not how it is designed. In costing tool, the features that are seen in costing manager are not same as the SolidWorks feature. Costing features are created as a result of the costing feature recognition. For example, in sheet metal costing, a hole wizard hole through a sheet metal part is recognized as a cut path. This cut path will be manufactured using a laser or water jet or plasma cutting. In machining costing, an extruder cut or hole wizard hole in SolidWorks is recognized as a drill hole. Sometimes an entire group of SolidWorks feature is recognized as one manufacturing feature in costing. For example, the outside edge of part might consist of fillet and straight edges. These are recognized in costing as one cut path. How cost is calculated? The costing tool provides templates that associate manufacturing features with their costs. The templates include information about material, machining and labor costs. After recognition of manufacturing features is complete, costing categorizes each manufacturing feature, for example, cut paths, bends, holes and milling operations, and applies the correct information from the template to cost out the specific manufacturing features. A total cost for all of the features is tabulated and a final unit cost is displayed. How to customize costing. Customize and save the default templates to provide your own manufacturing, labor and material costs. Override the calculated cost and material cost. Add discounts and markups. Change quantities. Add custom operations. Adjust costing reports to display quote, customer and company information. Assign a custom cost to the body of a multi-body part. Set machine part costing option to recognize remove material as volume feature. Simplify the cost estimate to minimize template dependency. Where costing information is stored. Costing information for a specific part is contained in the SolidWorks part file. You can choose whether you want this information to be viewable by others or not. Simplifying cost estimates. You can estimate the cost of machine parts relying on selected template only for material selection. To simplify the cost estimate based on machining options and calculate the cost of removed material, use customizable volume feature recognition, cost per volume removed, override template settings for offset based finishing. By default, there are three types of templates. They are sheet metal template, machining template and multi-body main template. At last, we are going to take a look on multi-body main template part file. Weldments. Weldments include multi-body weldments and single-body structural members. The costing tool opens a multi-body weldment or single-body structural member. If the body contains a structural member in Feature Manager design tree, the costing software automatically costs the structural member as an extruded part. Costs either per length or per stock length. Supports weld bead and fillet bead cost information in multi-body templates. The cost for fillet bead is applied to all fillet beads, and the cost for weld bead is automatically chosen based on weld bead informations. You can apply the costing tool to multi-body parts that include the sheet metal, machine, weldments and other bodies. For bodies that are non-sheet metal, machine or weldments, you can assign a custom cost or exclude the bodies from the cost estimate. The cost calculated by the costing tool are as accurate as the data in your templates. Although SolidWorks provides a pre-populated templates, it is best to create customized template based on your manufacturing costs. It is recommended that you work with your in-house manufacturing departments and external manufacturing vendors to create custom templates that reflect actual costs. Multi-body parts costing. With costing, you can calculate how much it costs to manufacture multi-body parts. You can also switch from multi-body costing environment to single-body environment to improve performance. Note: you must assign a custom cost to element bodies in a multi-body part. Costing template editor for multi-body parts. Use the costing template editor to create and edit templates for use with the costing tool for multi-body parts. Contents. General. Use the general screen in costing template editor to set the units, currency and template location options. Custom. Use the custom screen in costing template editor to define additional operations that contribute to your part manufacturing cost, such as powder coating. Weld bead. Use the weld bead screen in costing template editor to set the weld bead information. Fillet bead. Use the fillet bead screen in costing template editor to set the fillet bead information. Let's open SolidWorks interface. I have an example of multi-body part which is of weldment structure. Now let me access the costing present inside the SolidWorks. Once I click costing, the option is being highlighted in the task pane and also in the tabs of Feature Manager design tree. Let's begin by estimating the cost of multi-body part. The main template which is used here is a combination of both sheet metal and machining template. Automatically all the bodies are grouped in body list, which includes the structural member and sheet metal. For the existing bodies in group like weldment or sheet metal, the costing template is automatically assigned to them. For those bodies indicated in red color, have to be specified for the model body type, or else we can exclude the unnecessary bodies from estimating the cost. I also have an option for including them back for my cost estimation. For unspecified solid bodies, I need to include them and provide the type of template to be used individually. Now I will select the unassigned entities and provide machining methods by default. By clicking the begin cost estimation, the cost is being calculated. In the left side, the bodies are grouped into folders based on their body types. For finding the individual body cost, we can double click on the respected body to estimate the cost. By clicking the back to multibody environment, we are switching over to the overall cost estimation. By selecting the individual body, the operation name also gets changed with respect to the body type. The cost value gets varied by increasing or decreasing the total number of parts and lot size. For making any changes with the existing template, click Launch Template Editor to make direct edit. The user has a facility to save the modified template as a new name. The user has the facility to include the estimated cost detail while saving the part file. The costing report can automatically be generated by including all the parts or by selecting any individual part and generate the cost report. The automatic report generation has all the information to be filled for the company, code, name and other detail for getting the approval. The report contains all the details related to material, setup, operation and body cost which can be customized. Finally, I conclude by stating the benefits of costing for multi-body main template part file at design stage itself. For any queries, please do contact us at a mail info@ejs.co.in and also visit us at www.ejsindia.com. Thank you.